I have come up with some of the questions which are frequently asked in dental. Okay, so just have a look at the questions and there will be the answers.
Discussing some of the important answers to the questions commonly asked in periodontology. So first comes the lignosan. Lignosan is 40% weight by volume minocycline microspheres. So minocycline is tetracycline derivative, which is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It is bioresorbable local delivery agent and injected directly into the periodontal pocket. So lignosan is 14% weight by volume minocycline microsphere. Okay? Another question is Marin's classification. So it determines the recall interval of the patients after active periodontal therapy. So the patients are divided into type A, type B and type C. Type A patients which have excellent oral hygiene and the therapy के बाद जो result है they are excellent, so they are recalled after 6 to 12 months. In type B patients which have stable periodontal condition and acceptable oral hygiene, so they are categorized in type B and recalled after 3 to 4 months. And type C patients which have poor oral hygiene and do not respond to periodontal therapy, it's 1 to 3 months. So the question asks is type B according to Marin, so it is 3 to 4 months. Then another question was necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis. तो इसका hallmark क्या है? Punched out crater-like depressions in the interdental papilla. ठीक है? This we have to remember, and it is covered by grayish pseudomembrane and surrounded by areas of intense erythema. ठीक है? The clinical features include pain, bleeding, halitosis, and gingival inflammation overall. ठीक है? So necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis we have to remember is punched out crater-like depressions in the interdental papilla, not elsewhere. Another one was keratinized gingiva. If we talk about keratinized gingiva, it is the marginal gingiva and the attached gingiva. ठीक है? Interdental papilla का जो टिप होता है that is non-keratinized. And if we talk about oral cavity, so we have keratinized mucosa in hard palate and gingiva. ठीक है? Then comes the periodontitis. किसका complication है? That is of diabetes. So diabetes के other complications if we talk about, these are the retinopathy, neuropathy, nephropathy, cardiovascular disease and peripheral vascular disease. ठीक है? So other than that, the sixth complication is periodontitis. Another question was, what are neutrophils in gingival trabecular fluid called? These are the orogranulocytes. Okay? Orogranulocytes. So neutrophil act as a defense cells in GCF, and GCF what is it? It is a serum-like fluid which is present in gingival sulcus. Then comes submicrobial dose doxycycline. It is 20 milligram of doxycycline. So we have to remember is 20 milligram of doxycycline. ठीक है? ये क्या करता है? It inhibits the matrix metalloproteinases and which have anti-inflammatory activity. ठीक है? So doxycycline की जो antibacterial activity is less, but in this case it is anti-inflammatory activity is more. ठीक है? Because it inhibits the MMPs. Then there comes the last question. See, in case of dental trauma, what is the best strategy of management? It's the immediate, after the abrasion of the tooth, it's the immediate repositioning of the tooth plus physiological splinting to stabilize the position of the tooth in the socket. Okay? So these were the questions. You guys can take screenshot of it. Okay? So one quick recap. तो lignosan is 14% minocycline microsphere. नग में क्या होता है? Punched out crater-like depressions होते हैं in the interdental papilla. Orogranulocytes if we talk about, these are the neutrophils in GCF. Dental trauma में the primary strategy is after abrasion, immediate repositioning of the tooth plus physiological splinting. Then comes the Marin's classification, which determine the recall interval of after the active periodontal therapy. So type A, type B, type C. A में recall visits होता है 6 to 12 months, B में 3 to 4 months and C में 1 to 3 months. Then comes the keratinized gingiva if we talk about. These are the marginal gingiva and the attached gingiva. Then periodontitis is a sixth complication of diabetes. ठीक है? SDD क्या है? सब माइक्रोबियल डोज डॉक्सीसाइक्लिन. इसमें जो इसका जो वैल्यू आती है that is 20 milligram doxycycline, which has anti-inflammatory activity, inhibits the matrix metalloproteinases. Cool. So we'll come with other questions also. So if you guys have any doubt regarding these questions or you have other questions to ask, please feel free and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.